the flash has been completed. It even verified the flash. Hi, welcome back. So once again, I decided to make a quick video here. I need to update the BIOS on one of my APU1, specifically APU1 D4. So let's start by getting the BIOS. If I'm gonna search right now for APU1, I get this version right here, but this version, they remove support for APU1. So I'm gonna scroll down and next available version is this one. But because I'm doing some demo here, I'm gonna actually scroll down even more and download an even older version of the BIOS. And I'm gonna be downloading zip just to make sure when I extract the file, it doesn't get corrupted. Okay, so let's view the download. Here's the download. I'm gonna extract it. We get the actual ROM file or the BIOS file, and we get some hashes to verify if the file is fine. But in my experience, normally when you extract it, zip has ability to see if the file was corrupted or not. Is this zip? Yeah, it is zip. Okay. Now I'm back to my pfSense. I'm gonna go to diagnostics, command prompt, and we need to install Flashrom package. So I'm gonna run this command to install it.
80 minutes later.
Excellent, it has been installed. Now let's upload that file. I'm gonna choose the file, specifically the ROM. Gonna upload the file now. And the file by default goes to the temp folder. Now I'm gonna use this command right here to flash this ROM file I just downloaded, which is inside the temp folder. And I'm going to be flashing it specifically to this memory. In your scenario, this might vary, but if you have, once again, APU1 D4, you just skip this switch in to flash it to this controller. If you have a different APU, for example, you can run this command without this switch, for example, and it will give you an error message giving you multiple flash chips where to flash. In my case, I need to flash it to this chip basically. So I'm gonna start flashing it.
2,000 years later.
So the flash has been completed. It even verified the flash. If you do get an error here, just rerun the flash again. Just rerun this executable again. Just by pressing execute. This will reflash this ROM file again. If it still fails, re-upload the file again and maybe even re-download it. You probably have a corrupted ROM file. That's why you may be getting an error message. So we flashed the new BIOS onto the chip. Before I restart the system, I just want to verify my current BIOS. So it's 411004, as you can see. And in order for this new BIOS to load that we just flashed, we actually need to restart the pfSense box or reboot it. I have a serial console interface here connected, so I get to see the actual boot sequence of the PC engine. Right now it's going through a shutdown sequence. So pfSense is finished booting up. Let's go back to the web interface, log back in. And here's the new BIOS version we have and the build date. With this, I'm able to verify that I am running the new version of the BIOS. Also, when you finish updating, go back to command prompt and you can run this command to uninstall the Flashrom package. And the Flashrom package has been deleted. And that's pretty much how you do it. Obviously, don't forget to back up your pfSense configuration before you do firmware update. And hopefully you have a standby router somewhere. You never know, your BIOS update might fail, but it never has happened to me personally. So I'm kind of glad doing this for decades. I haven't experienced this kind of issues. But yep, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.